So we've been talking about pavers, and there's just so many different types to choose from. And in the front here we have Holland stone pavers. It was kind of the more traditional brick look. It's got very neat edges, comes in a lot of colors. You know, it's easy to do different patterns or borders with these. They've been kind of the classic look for a long time.
But this one is what we call a Brussels paver. And what's nice about this is they actually tumble it. They put them in a great big tumbler, and it knocks all the corners off and what have you, and it gives it a much more natural stone look.
Kind of a little more rustic. But then there's some pavers that kind of fall in between the two. Like this one here has got, you know, nice neater edges like this does, but then it's got kind of that dimpled surface like the Brussels does.
And that's actually been lightly tumbled, so it's not quite as perfect. So, but that nice surface on that too.
And with these you can get a lot of different patterns. There's a lot of different unique things you can do. But these are kind of a medium-sized paver over here.
Yeah, medium-sized paver, but one of the things to consider is the surface of the paver. This traditional one has got a very smooth texture here. And when you get into the more of the slabs, we've talked about the slabs before, they have this undulating, kind of a natural stone surface, which is really pretty popular, and it gives you a good traction too. And this one I've never used before, but this is actually what they call a polished surface. And I can imagine with a sealer or something on that, how that would pop out. Very much more contemporary look, but very different. But a lot of choices in that.
But the most important thing, no matter which pavers you choose, is all about the base and how it's installed.
Yes, if you put the proper base in, get your drainage proper, and then use the polymeric sand between the cracks that helps to seal up all those cracks, you're in for a really nice installation, durable, long-lasting. You won't have heaving, cracks, or whatever.
And there, with so many different styles to choose from, it can really give you a unique sense of style for your home. So thank you for joining us. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hotelling, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.